You have to create this space where it invites stillness that support the state of mind that you have. Sabi pa niya, you cannot force inspiration to visit you, but you can create the environment that the inspiration will want to visit. Basta naman gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka tatamarin. Okay, let me show you how I maintain my pond kahit wala akong nilagay na drain. This will be quick and easy, so I'll be sharing din later yung nabasa ko lately na maaaring makatulong sa'yo habang I walk you through sa cleaning routine ko. Una sa first step, tinatanggal ko tong mga duckweeds at chinecheck ba kami ng itlog na palaka kasi tinatanggal din natin yun. Next is gamit itong improvised sponge scraper para mahagod yung wall ng pond. So this is 5 almost 6 inches, so ganyan kalalim yung pond natin from the substrate. Light scrub lang siya sa walls. We want that good bacteria build up, pero we have to control it. Pakita ko din yung nilagay kong lazy filter. Although kaya naman ng mga plants, gaya ng mga nakaraang buwan, it doesn't hurt to have another one. Gumamit lang naman ako dyan ng sock filter, then in-incorporate ko lang yung bamboo para may dagdag element sa pond. Hindi ko talaga siya nilagyan ng drain kasi ganito ko siya binabawasan ng tubig. Intentional yan kasi after ko mabulabog yung tubig sa pond at alisin yung filter, yan yung tubig na magandang ipandilig sa mga halaman. Ayun yung water level natin kanina, then after makatatlo at kalahating timba ng tubig, okay na ako for water change. So ayun, ganun lang ako mag-maintain ng pond. Hindi siya yung nakasanayan natin pamamaraan lalo na kapag glass aquarium ang pinag-uusapan, pero being true and intentional sa low maintenance setup ko, sapat na to sa akin. And like I said earlier, siya itong nabasa ko. According to Rick Rubin's 12 rule for creativity and being yourself. Rule number 11, create your environment with intention. Be obsessed in that environment. Not extra, but just honest. Sabi din niya, the space affects your state and thus affecting your output. That's why